Evolve FM's Facility Operations and Maintenance module provides a structure for managing all the activities required to keep your facilities running smoothly. It is a complete solution that everyone can use. Work requests can be submitted by anyone with login rights. Requests can be routed manually or automatically to the staff responsible for completing the work. Status notifications can be triggered automatically to keep everyone informed. Completed work orders are attached to asset and space records to provide easy access to maintenance histories. Preventive maintenance routines can be defined, customized, and scheduled for every asset as required. Work orders to perform these routines are automatically generated and routed to the staff responsible for performing the work. Work requests can drive and document lots of other activities, like individual people moves, department moves, asset relocation, parking lot inspections. The possibilities are endless. Evolve FM is about bringing order from chaos in your facilities by making information available to whoever needs it, whenever they need it. Organizing and reporting that information to the people responsible for making strategic decisions about resource and asset allocation. Evolve FM, everything you need, nothing you don't.